Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2022 Maserati Quattroporte? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Integrated power module. An integrated power module is a compact, all-in-one solution that combines critical motor control components, such as a motor controller, gate driver, and power stage, into a single package. This high level of integration reduces the need for external components, minimizes PCB space, and simplifies system design. Rear power distribution center. The rear power distribution center in vehicles is a compact module that manages electrical power distribution to various systems. It integrates fuses, relays, and smart diagnostics to enhance safety and reliability. Fuse box under the dashboard. The fuse box under the dashboard, commonly known as the interior fuse box, safeguards various electrical components within the vehicle's cabin, including the instrument cluster, radio, power windows, and air conditioning system.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.